How to remove duplicates in a table in Excel. You have huge tables in which there are duplicates, and you don't want to spend hours to find them. As an answer, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it in less than a minute. Open the table in which you want to find and remove duplicates. I will show this on a simple example that we have before us. So from this table, we need to display duplicates and then remove them. First of all, we will select the entire table. When we have done that, we will position ourselves on the Home tab and find the Conditional Formatting option in it. Here we will select the first Highlight Cells Rules option from the list that opens. A new list will open in which we now need to find the Duplicate Values option. We will confirm the choice by clicking OK. As you can see, all columns that have the same values will be selected. Now it's up to us to delete them. We will select the whole table again. After that, we will select the Data option in the menu. Here I will find the Remove Duplicates option in the Data menu and click on it. A new window will open in which we can choose the criteria for deletion. As we want to delete only the same rows, we will leave everything selected. If you want to delete rows that have only one of the columns, you can do it by selecting only the rows for which you want this rule to apply in this list. As I already said, we will only take into account total duplicates, so we will leave everything selected and click the OK button. An option will appear that will show us a report on what was done. We will close it by clicking OK. As you can see, only rows that had all the same rows were deleted and remained in the table because she only has the same last name as the other duplicates, which is a possible scenario. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more office tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.